So hello guys, today we are going to unbox a bum bag that I ordered from Amazon. So my favorite bum bag was from Superwick, the Skate Life Slinger. It is really expensive, so I have gone for a 580 rupees bum bag that I saw on Amazon, and today I got the product. I was expecting it to be really cheap, but my expectations were blown away from the detail of the print. This is a product sold by Headspace offers in Amazon for 580 rupees. So I brought the purple version. There is also like orange and yellow. Those colors are also available, but I really like the purple. So I was expecting this backpack to be a little more cheaper, but my expectations were blown away after I saw this backpack. The zip quality is really good. It's not like a cheap zip or something like that. There is enough space in the first section. There is like 4 sections for storing items, and this is the second section. You can keep a mobile phone or a sunglass inside that, and also there is 2 more sections, and this is the main section, the large section where you can put your camera and stuff. I ordered this product for storing my G7X Mark II. So this is the camera that I'm going to store inside this bag. So I brought this bag for storing this camera so that I can use it while traveling. So I think you can put even larger cameras than a G7X Mark II, but you cannot store a DSLR inside this. And also you can store your smartphone and sunglasses in the second section like this. There is plenty of space inside that for storing a mobile and a sunglass. So at the back there is one more section for storing your money, so you can put your cash inside this section. It's safe to put money inside this section as no one is going to steal it, and the belt is detachable, as you guys can see, so it's easy for removing the bag. So I really like this product, and the print and the clarity of the ink is really good. So if you're riding a bicycle or something like that, you can put it in this mode, and this is really good as you guys can access a water bottle or something like that really easily. And also you can turn the bag to the back for comfort riding. So it looks something like this. So I hope you guys liked this video. I really like this bag, so I will definitely recommend this to anyone who is looking for a camera bag for a point and shoot camera. So thank you for watching.